Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so this video is going to be a different video, guys. You may all be aware of what's going on with these Samsung Galaxy devices. You should have heard about this on the news. If not, I'll leave a link to the news broadcast about this in the description down below. You can go check it out. This is very serious. It's also very important that you do what I'm about to show you if you own a Samsung Galaxy device. So what's going on is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, I think it is, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. There's other reports that the Samsung Galaxy S7 and the S8 is also doing this. It's sending out pictures from your gallery to random people in your contacts. This has pretty much hit close to home as well. It's just happened to one of my female cousins. So right now she's devastated. So I'm going to show you how you can prevent this from happening. It's real simple to do. This is happening because of the default Samsung messaging app. So what you need to do is go into the settings and go to apps and just locate the default messaging app. So here it is, messages, and just scroll to where it says permissions, and then you're just gonna uncheck all of these. Okay, so it's gonna pretty much leave the messaging app useless, so you won't be able to send text and stuff like that, or receive text. But however, you can go to the Play Store and download an alternative messaging app. Next, just go to the gallery as well, and you're just going to do the same, permissions, and just uncheck all of those. So now when you go into the gallery, it's going to require your permissions to access it. So yeah, you should be good to go. You can just do this for now until Samsung get on top of it and get it sorted out. So yeah, guys, this was just my quick video showing you how to make sure your pictures and videos and all your data files are secure. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell as well. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.